Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, I wish to thank the village elders for the traditional welcome ceremony. Vinaka. I'm very proud and indeed honored to be here this afternoon for the handover of these farming implements as part of the Youth Farm Initiative Program. Whatever we have got here this afternoon to do the handing over was the request from the respective youth clubs. But may I take this opportunity to make it very clear that government assistance is not given on the basis of district, province, or race, but it is given on a need basis throughout the country. The reason why I'm saying this is because last week in Parliament, the opposition party said that we are only giving out this Youth Farm Initiative grant in one particular district. This is a total lie. As of today, we have assisted 55 youth clubs here in Wailevu. This is just the grant for the farm initiatives, apart from other assistance that we have provided. But time to time, you all will hear this type of nonsense because election is coming. So I'm here this afternoon to tell you that please don't be misled. We have started this program almost 2 years ago. So you need to understand and you need to see for yourself the type of leaders around you. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I'd also like to acknowledge my ministry staffs who are based here in the Northern Division and for their leadership in mobilizing the support needed to ensure that our youth groups receive the assistance. You might have seen, you might have heard that now we have assistant youth officers on ground. The reason why we have assistant youth officers on ground is to reach out to the unreached youths. Before, for Wailevu, we just had the head office in Lambasa. I don't know whether they used to come and visit you or no, I don't know. But the reason why we appointed was when we started to reach to our youths, and when we asked them on their challenges, the very first thing that they came out was that no one is coming to us. And we are saying that 70% of our population is 48 and below. So if we don't reach out to them, how will we know what are their challenges is? And that is why, not now, almost 2 years ago, we have appointed the assistant youth officers just to help the youths of this country, to empower them. Sometimes it really hurts when we hear statements like that, that we are only going to youths now. Total lie. I'm told that 149 youths will benefit with the assistance that we will provide this afternoon. In other words, is going to create employment for our 149 youths. And let me assure you, all of you, all youth members representing their respective clubs, that this assistance, this is not the end of it. Our youth officers will come, oversee, monitor, and as and when you will require more assistance, based on their assessment, we will provide those assistance. It's no point just giving whatever that we need to give today on your request and then forget about it. Everywhere, wherever we go, this is the message that I give to my youths. So really, the ball is in your court. You need to work hard. And the other message that I used to give to the youths of this country is that gone are the days of our elders who are sitting here. It is now our turn to give them what they need. They have done their part. They have done their share of work. It's our turn. That's the message that I want to leave behind here before I go. I would also like to acknowledge the landowners. This program, there's two types of program within the ministry. One is that you register your club, and then when all boxes are ticked, your club is registered with ministry, the assistance will come to your doorsteps immediately, and that is the Youth Farm Initiative Plan. The other one is, which you can apply, and very soon we're going to open up that, is that your club needs to be in place for 6 months. And then you can apply for grant for the income generating projects. So I don't want, we're going to have a Talanwa session, so I don't want you to tell me now, but when you go back, when you have your club meetings, discuss amongst yourself. What are some of the projects that you can do that will generate revenue for your club, for your members, for your communities? And then discuss with our assistant youth officers, and from there we will take it on. And as I was saying that we need to acknowledge the landowners. I'm told that the landowners have given land to their sons and daughters to farm. And this is, in fact, this program itself is a three-way partnership. It is a partnership between the landowners, the youth club, and the ministry. And it's really working good for us throughout the country, not only here in Lambasa, but throughout the country. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, as you all are aware, that COVID-19 pandemic has impacted many Fijians. Today, we need to take stock of the challenges that Fijians have faced since the outbreak of this pandemic. We need to move on. We need to continue the work that we were doing. We cannot just sit and say, COVID, COVID, COVID. That will give nothing to you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also told that the youth members from the respective youth clubs had carried out climate change adaptation and mitigation activities through planting of trees in their respective communities after undergoing our empowerment training coordinated by the ministry last year. And here I would want to make an announcement that last year we had the first ever National Climate Change Summit in Suva. What we have decided this year, that we're going to have a divisional National Youth Summit. So one will be here in North, one will be in Central, and the other one will be in Western Division. Very soon the assistant youth officers will come to you. There will be discussion on this, and you all can participate in that summit. I'm also told that some of the members of the respective youth clubs have engaged themselves in Dalo, Cobra and Emuna farming, and also on the social projects like building of houses, community halls, and other investment initiatives. I would like to commend the youths for the work that you are doing. I can see one thing, that the youths now are taking ownership, which is very good. You need to do that. You need to come forward, and you need to lead your elders, your family, and your communities. With those few words, once again, thank you so much, Pinaka. God bless you all.